That's not clickbait. It really is over. After nearly 10 years of manufacturing parts for the hobby industry, radio-controlled race cars to be specific, off-road RC cars to be specific, my wife and I sold the production side, kind of the production assets of our business last October, and we're done and out of it. And it's a little bit bittersweet. We accomplished almost all of the goals that we had for the business. We obviously were able to put a little bit of money in the bank, which is the goal. It paid for this entire machine shop, which has been absolutely amazing. And now I'm trying to figure out what the next chapter of my life looks like. I haven't figured it out. I'm sure it's going to take some time. We do have some pretty cool stuff still here in the building. I've got my little Buster Beagle, which I never got a chance to finish, which I think you guys would get a kick out of, like a bedroom-based, desktop-based injection molding machine. I actually have this pretty trick injection molding machine that I got from Asia that was basically for super low production runs, kind of like to fill emergency gaps and to kind of refine my plastic injection mold making skills. Unfortunately, I am going to downsize the machine shop. There's just no need. We don't need as many machines as we have in here. Right now in this building, we have the Akuma you can see behind me. We have a Haas TL1 tool room lathe. We have a VM2 with a 5-axis. And then we have the Mitsubishi EA12S. Probably those three machines are probably going to stay. Unfortunately, I'm probably going to let my favorite machine, which only has like 350 hours or something like that on it, cutting hours on it, go. I love the Akuma. The M560 is probably the best mill you can buy for the money. It's heavy, rigid, fast, super accurate. Yeah. But it is, but because of those things, it's probably the first one we're going to let go, so we just get it out of here. I have been working on a few different customer projects, which has been pretty cool, and who knows if that kind of continues on or not. Only time will tell. I just wanted to reach out, say hi to everybody. So many of you have followed my story for so many years. I feel like I know some of you. I know that you guys write me and tell me that you feel like you know me, and that's probably true. I do my very best to be, I hate to sound all corny and stuff, but like my authentic self. It sounds corny as hell, but I try my very best to just be authentic, just be me. The only thing that you guys don't get on that side of the screen that happens on this side of the screen is all the cussing and stuff like that, because I know YouTube doesn't like it. But if you can just imagine me raising hell every time something goes wrong, then you'd probably have the exact version of me that actually exists. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. If any of you guys are interested in the Akuma or anything like that, shoot me a message down in the comments, or you can reach my emails, just rawspeedinc@gmail.com, rawspeedinc@gmail.com, and we'll make you a smoking deal. So thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.